marketing tasks. What is your brand? It's kind of like related to the previous question, why should I hire you? Well, now we're getting down to what is your brand? You have to figure that out, right? So there is an exercise that we have. It's called the branding exercise, and it'll help you decide what your brand is, what your company stands for, and what your tagline should be. And then we have a link to a video on developing 3 reasons why you are the best inspector. Well, why would I hire someone who's not the best inspector? So you have to be the best inspector. So let's go to the branding exercise. So InterNACHI's member marketing team will help you brand your business, design a new logo for your business, and redesign an existing logo. And design and customize your business cards, flyers, and brochures. And all the design work is free for InterNACHI members. All you have to do is place an order and work with our design consultants. Let's take a look.
One of the many benefits of your InterNACHI membership is our outstanding marketing and design service. Our team of designers have produced thousands of logos for members. Each one is created from scratch based on your needs. No stock logos here. InterNACHI's marketing team can design a new logo or redesign your existing one. We can design your business cards, brochures, flyers, and more. Contact our team today to take advantage of these free design services at nachi.org/marketing. Not a member? Sign up today at nachi.org/join.
And so that's that InterNACHI inspector marketing team that works for you. They'll design a logo, and it is by hand, from scratch, just for you, based upon your brand, which is the answer to the question, why should I hire you? So click that link, and let's get to the exercise. Part of that exercise is getting to the ultimate goal of working with your marketing team about your brand. And your brand isn't marketing. So your brand is the answer to the question, why should I hire you? And your marketing is those things that you use in order to get that message out. So that's your website, that's your flyer, that's your business card, that's your logo. And the branding exercise is here, and it will help you decide what your brand is and what your company stands for and what your tagline, if you have one, could be. Now list 3 areas in which your company is the best. Well, my company is the best at home inspections, roof inspections, and infrared inspections. List 3 things about your company that everyone should know about. Well, I've been in construction all my life. I've performed over 10,000 home inspections. And I've written a home maintenance book. List the top 5 benefits for consumers who decide to hire your business. Top benefits. I'll produce a summary immediately after the inspection. Immediately. I'll click a button and you'll have a list of things to go do or negotiate over immediately. And all my reports come with hundreds of digital pictures and a lot of video of the inspection. In fact, I'll do a video of the roof inspection so you don't have to get up there. Benefits for consumers who decide, oh, this is a tough exercise. Can I go to the next one? Ask 5 real estate agents what they think are the most important aspects of working with a home inspector. Oh, why would I do that? It's embarrassing. Maybe it's difficult to do, to actually ask a real estate agent a question. You think they're embarrassed? Think that they have any hesitation to ask you questions? So you ask a real estate agent, what do you think are the most important things when working with a home inspector? What makes a really good home inspection experience for you? And you write that down. And you ask 5 real estate agents what they think are the most important things when they're working with their favorite home inspector. Say, I know you have a favorite home inspector. I'm not asking you for that. But we were wondering, what are the top 5 things that you like about your favorite home inspector? What are the most important aspects of a home inspection when working with a home inspection company? And then write those things down. Maybe they'll all be related to each other. Everyone will pick the first one, like being on time, right? And not scaring, not killing the deal. Every real estate agent says that. Well, not every real estate agent. That's a myth. Home inspectors don't kill the deal. It's usually a problem with the buyer's hesitance, or trying to pair up the right property with the right client. The home needs to pair up with the home buyer. There's hardly anything a home inspector can say that kills a deal. That's true. They've gone through so much. When you get to the home inspection process, they have gone through months of work, finding the right real estate agent, finding the right bank and getting qualified, and finding the right neighborhood, finding the right house, visiting so many houses, open houses, and then finding their dream home, right? In the right neighborhood, in the right school system, at the right price, and it's just set up right, and they put a bid on it. It's accepted, but they have to have it inspected. By the time you get to that home inspection process, there's hardly anything you could say that can kill a deal. They've already found their dream home, they're in love with it. Basically, there would have to be a hole in the roof. And that still wouldn't kill a deal. A hole like this in the roof can be fixed for a few $100s, which is nothing compared to the cost of the entire home. So there's hardly anything, don't ever worry about that. So ask a real estate agent, and then if they reply back with 5 things, provide them with those 5 things. They're telling you what they think are the most important things when working with a home inspection company. Change the way you change the way you do things, and making sure you provide those things that they think are the most important. This is a great exercise. You go through all of those questions, you figure all that out, and then you start to realize what your brand is. You start to figure out what makes you different from all the rest. Let's take a look at this video here.
Here's an exercise. Do it right now. See if you can list 3 areas in which your company is the best and why. You want to say things in your marketing that no one else is saying. Everyone is saying, I'll give you an example of what everyone else is saying. Everyone is saying that they're a member of something. Say specifically what you're trained and certified in. I perform thorough inspections. Everyone does. I write my inspection reports using a computer. Everyone does. I take digital pictures. Everyone does. Don't say these things. Say something special. It's really hard. It's a great mental exercise. If you can't do it, then you're probably going to be left behind a little bit, because I've got my elevator speech ready. I've got my different points, my unique selling points, my brand ready. That message of why I'm better than you, and I'm actually the best in the crowd. I use this website, BigBenInspections.com. I'm no longer a home inspector. I just train home inspector. When you land on my website, I know what you're looking for. I don't have to explain what a home inspection is. The people landing on your site, they know they are convinced already that they have to hire a home inspector. What they need is the best one. Find out why I'm the best. You click that button. So that's my punch in the face. Marketing isn't like a long-term strategy for convincing someone, right? Like in boxing, my brother used to box. Boxing matches take a really long time. In marketing, you get one punch. You get 1 or 2, 3 seconds on your website to make your point. Otherwise, I'm clicking somewhere else. You give me a few words, third of a tweet, quick. Tell me what I'm looking for. Are you looking for an inspector? Yes. You want to find out why I'm the best? Yeah. Boom. I performed over 10,000 inspections, and I've been around for a long time. And I'm certified. I got these certifications. And this one here says, I teach other inspectors. Why would you hire my student? You might as well hire the professor, right? And then here's a list of all my certifications. Here's me on a ladder, a picture of me on a ladder, because I bring tall ladders to every inspection and also use infrared on every inspection. And here's all my certifications. It just scrolls and scrolls and scrolls forever. There's no words, just images. I'm even a certified tree inspector. Where do you get those certifications? InterNACHI. My inspections are backed by a guarantee. It's the buy back your home guarantee. Infrared inspection, I use infrared on every inspection. My camera helps me see things that other inspectors can't. That's why I use an infrared on every inspection. And also my home energy scores. I do a home energy score and energy inspection on every home inspection. The amount of money that they save every year costs a heck of a lot less than what I charge them once for. Think about differentiation, right? I'm not a commodity. You think I'm a commodity? I authored a home maintenance book, and I give that home maintenance book for free to all of my clients. It's included with my inspection, and it's free. Actually, it's not free, right? The more value I add to my service, the more I increase my fee. This doesn't cost me as a business owner anything. I'm allowing my clients to purchase their own home maintenance books. The more value you pile on to your inspection service, the more you can bump up that fee. If the perceived value is greater than the cost, then it's a good decision for your client to hire you. What is the real reason why I should hire you? Why don't you author something you know about? You have to think what makes you different from all the rest as a business owner. And if you think you're just a home inspector, that's why home inspectors get stuck. They don't think of themselves as an owner-operator of a business. They think of themselves as a home inspector. You have to think of value and charge accordingly for the value that you provide.
I enjoy those videos. I hope you do too. So go through the mental exercise of trying to figure out who you are, what your company stands for, what value your company provides, and answer the question, why should I hire you? That's your brand.